If opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal and parallel, then it is called a parallelogram. So here there are 6 important types of quadrilaterals which are generally of study for you. So remember this figure for your lifetime. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and parallel, and opposite angles are equal. See, these opposite angles are equal. Now rectangle means it's a special type of parallelogram. Okay, opposite sides are equal and parallel, all angles are at right angles. Squares, it's a special type of rectangle, all sides are equal and remaining features of rectangle. Rhombus, then it's a special type of parallelogram. Opposite sides are not only opposite, in rhombus all sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. Trapezoid, see here, trapezoid and trapezium, it's one and the same word. Some books means in US, and it's a language difference between Canada and US. So trapezoid and trapezium, one thing, same thing. What do you mean by trapezium or trapezoid? One pair of opposite sides are parallel. One pair, this pair, only one. Okay, and if the remaining two sides are equal, that's called as regular trapezium. And if they are not equal, then it's a general trapezium. We don't call it general; we call it only trapezium. Kite, adjacent sides are equal, means two pairs of adjacent sides are congruent or equal. Okay. One pair of opposite sides are equal, then one pair of opposite angles are equal in a kite. See here, this pair, this and this, these are not equal. This and this is equal. Okay, and diagonals bisect each other. One diagonal bisect each other, not all diagonals. Okay, see here, this diagonal, one diagonal bisects the other. It's not each other. So this diagonal, longer diagonal, bisects the shorter diagonal. Generally it can be reverse also, but only one diagonal bisects the other, not both. Diagonals intersect each other at 90 degrees. That's correct. Okay. Yeah, this is the correct one. The longer diagonal of a kite bisects the shorter one. Always longer diagonal bisects the shorter one. So coming back to our problem, the opposite sides of quadrilateral are equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. If only one